should be getting her picture. She just screeches up her face.
Get him. Get Happy. Can you get him? Let him lick your hand.
It's all right. She just wants to play with you. You're a good boy to lick her fingers. That's a good boy, Happy. That's a good boy.
You want to come over here?
He's leaving. Well, go see him. Go see Happy. Go see him. Go find him. Go find Happy. Go find Happy. Happy. Come see Avery. There you go. Look, 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 look. My hearing aids. I gotta put a battery in my hearing aids. It's a beeping. TV and had a fit.
Aves, what are you doing? You riding?
You got a ride. I've got another beer too. Yeah. Happy went with us. Yeah. Happy went with us. Happy went with us. It's a little bit. Beep, 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 beep. Get Avery. Come here, kiss Avery.
You gonna get down?